Hello and welcome to the E&F section of the National 5 video tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions. To multiply two algebraic fractions together is quite simple. All you need to do is multiply the two top terms and multiply the two bottom terms. So in this case, a times c on the top becomes ac, and b times d on the bottom becomes bd. That's your final answer. Here are 4 examples for you to have a go at. Be careful, the questions in red require simplification after you've multiplied them. Pause the video now, because the answers will be revealed shortly. Okay, so your answers are, for the first question, PR over ST. For the second question, 7H over 8G. For the third question, 8y over 3wx, and for the last question, 3f squared divided by em. Dividing algebraic fractions is also quite easy. You just need to remember one important step. The step is to rewrite your question, but to change the division to a multiplication, and to change the second fraction so that the sides are in the opposite from where they started. Okay, so c becomes the bottom half of the fraction, and d becomes the top half of the fraction. At that point, all we need to do is we need to multiply across the top and across the bottom again, just like we did in the previous examples. So a times d becomes ad, b times c becomes bc, and there we have it, another final answer. Here are 2 examples for you to try. Be careful, they may need simplification after you've performed the division. Pause the video now, because the answers will be revealed shortly. Okay, so your answer to the first question is 3x cubed over 2y squared. Your answer to the second question is 5ef over m. If you didn't get those, make sure you consult a maths teacher, or come along to a supported study session after school on a Tuesday or Wednesday. Finally, if you'd like a little bit more practice with multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions, there are 2 past papers on the screen that you can download and have a go at yourself. Again, make sure if you are not getting the right answers, you come along and see a maths teacher, or you come to a supported study session Tuesday or Wednesdays after school.